Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get some of this for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back, another awesome video for you. Wanted to show you how to wash and maintain microfiber towels. So I've got two cleaners in front of me right now, and of course a washing machine. Both of these companies are really great. This is Griot's Garage, this is Micro Restore. A lot easier to find Griot stuff than it is to find Micro Restore, but I do use both of them. And honestly, I've been using this because I was able to find it, but it's been really hard to find the Micro Restore lately, so I've been going with the Griot's because I can pick that up right on Amazon and have it delivered in a day if I need it. Both of these are really some of the best I've used. You want to get yourself a good measuring cup that measures ounces. If you're using pads that you have wax or compound on, you want to go with at least 4 ounces of this stuff, and you might want to have to wash it twice just to get all that stuff off. If you're using towels that you use to buff off compound or wax off of a car, you should be able to wash it once with about 4 ounces of the microfiber cleaner. So if you're cleaning towels like I'm doing right now that you only use to dry a car, I didn't use any kind of wax, any kind of chemicals, any kind of solution, so it was clean and it never got dirty. It's just a drying towel. With that, I'm only going to use 2 ounces. Now, I'm still going to use a full load. You're going to want to go with the biggest load size, which is super, and you're going to want to go with cold water. Never, ever, ever use hot water on microfiber towels. It will ruin it and it will destroy the fibers. Always use cold water and always go with the biggest size because we want to be able to really clean these well. I'm only doing 1 towel right now, and you never want to go higher than half the capacity of the washing machine. If this is a foot high, you only want to go about 6 inches up. Only go about half the height. Never use too many because it's not going to wash them and it's not going to get them clean. We are at 2 ounces on the bottom. We're going to just dump the solution in. The heaviest load on a normal wash. Every washer is going to be different, but just make sure you do a normal wash, but do it for the longest amount of time because we really want to get these towels nice and clean. So if you want to just get all the solution in, just make sure you dump that back in. That's it, we're good to go. I wanted to show you the absolute best way to dry microfiber towels. Hang them from hangers, make sure the hangers are clean, and put them on a fan. And that's it. Turn the fan on high, let it sit for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, you're good to go. That's all you gotta do. This is the absolute best way. Never put microfiber towels for detailing cars in a dryer because it will heat it up and it'll destroy it and ruin it, and you'll waste all that money you just spent on your brand new beautiful towels. So again guys, these are some Griot's Garage towels. Just wanted to show you the best way to dry microfiber towels. This is the best way to store microfiber towels. I like to keep them inside plastic containers after I get them nice and clean, and this way I'm ready to use them the next time I have a job come up. Keep them all separated for different tasks. Make sure you don't get any kind of dust or dirt on them. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching this video. I've been detailing for over 20 years, and honestly, this is the best practices you could possibly use for microfiber towels because these are delicate and they are very expensive. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. Just use the links in the description down below if you wanted to pick up anything I use in this video. Thanks again for watching. Take care.